And let's of course go back to citizens of Mumbai who have gathered in thousands in hordes to show their sense of solidarity at the Gateway of India. As you can see, this is a rally which has been organized by the people of Mumbai, hundreds of people, and for the family of the victim of the horrific tragedy. And it's a day of remembrance, of course, of prayer meetings and peace marches. And we have Archita with us giving us a detailed report of what's in fact, what you can see is thousands of Mumbaikars who've turned up. They're turning angry into a call for action against terror strikes. The terror attacks has changed life almost for everyone who's watched it in great detail on all the channels, and hence hundreds and thousands of people with their families have turned up to pray for the victims of the horrific tragedy. It's a day of remembrance, of prayer meetings and peace marches. You can see thousands of Mumbaikars who are gathering at the Gateway of India for a protest campaign. Don't Vote 2009, of course, to demand answers about the failure of the total political leadership in tackling the situation. Archita is now with us. Archita, thousands of people, actually in huge numbers, have turned up to protest against the political system for failure to avert one of the biggest disasters in the Indian soil. Archita?
Could you please repeat the question? Yes.
Archita, please describe what's going on. We understand thousands and thousands of Mumbaikars have turned up in huge numbers to express their solidarity and also protest against the failure of the leadership, the political leadership, to tackle or avert this attack.
The point is, Bali, the number of people who have just stormed or who have just turned up at the Gateway.
Well, those are, of course, that's at the Gateway of India. As you know, it's been almost a week since terror came knocking on Mumbai's doors on 26th of November, and the Mumbai terror attack has completely changed life for almost everyone who watched it in real life. For hundreds of people, thousands actually, many more than what was estimated, have turned up now to pray for families of the victims of the horrific tragedy. It's a day of remembrance. It's a day of prayer meetings. In fact, Archita is now back with us. Archita, you can describe to us, the anger amongst the citizens of Mumbai for the horrific tragedy that we have witnessed just a week ago.
Bali, it is perhaps very rarely this happens that a group of people who don't know each other from any with any backgrounds have just come together and have just gotten here to come together and protest about the recent terror attacks, and are actually asking for immediate action against terrorist groups of Pakistan. There are lots of people here who have also come from different parts of the world, people who were just tourists in India and who got so moved by the incident that they got together here to protest and actually express their solidarity with the cause that these people are standing up against, the fact that terrorism has been victimizing innocent lives across the world. They have all come together to protest against it. We also see a lot of people from India who have joined hands, be it children, be it widows organizations, be it social service organizations, be it pressure groups. There are people who have also come together who definitely have never taken part in any kind of aggressive political rallies, who just come here to express their concern about how safe are they when they leave their homes to go to work. They also don't
Right, we seem to have lost our contact with Archita. We'll get her right back. But yes, what you're seeing is the angry voices of Mumbai who've converged at the Gateway of India. They've turned up in thousands to protest against the entire political system, the failure of the political system to avert one of the biggest disasters on the Indian soil. It's been almost a week since terror came knocking on Mumbai's doors on the 26th of November, and the Mumbai terror attack has really changed life, at least for Mumbaikars. Everyone who watched it minute by minute on television sets on how this is, and it has started impacting almost everyone in person. And that is why what you're seeing is hundreds and thousands of people, their families have turned up to express their solidarity, especially for the family of the victims of this horrific tragedy. It's clearly a day of remembrance, of prayer meetings and peace marches. Dozens of Mumbaikars gathered at the Gateway of India for protest march. In fact, they also are carrying a campaign, Don't Vote 2009, to demand answers about the failure of the political leadership. The protest is also led by some prominent citizens. We understand actors like Sanjay Dutt, his wife Manyata, Farhan Azmi have all turned up for this particular campaign. In fact, an online campaign is also going on, urging people to start a non-cooperation movement and raise their voices against the government and converge at the Gateway of India. And that's what you're seeing out there in South Mumbai. And these protest meetings, of course, come after the candlelight marches reflecting the anger, the frustration of the maximum city. Archita Kashyap